We're here at MAC 2024 and we're actually on the MTDCNC stand with Flegg Projects. Kirsty, really nice to meet you. You're project manager at Flegg Projects.
Yeah.
What do you do on a day-to-day basis?
So my role's really varied. So I look after the projects from start to finish. So we'll go to a site survey, we'll look at the scope of the project, I'll organise everything that's involved in it, from the hotels, from export, the transport, look at what kit's needed, brief the team, I'll sort out all the risk assessments and method statements right the way through to when the job's completed.
So when a customer wants a job, they basically come through to you, I
Yes.
suppose, and then
Yeah.
you do everything surrounding the job.
Exactly. So they'll either come directly through to myself or sales in most cases.
So all around the UK, this
Yep.
could be anything from a basic machine pickup
Yep.
to a reorganisation of a factory. Is that correct?
Absolutely. So it could be a brand new machine, it could be a site closure, factory relocation. It's so varied.
So I know you're very well known for machine tool moving, so
Yeah.
basically from a machine tool seller to an end customer,
Yeah.
but you do a lot more than that, don't you?
Yeah, so we can do the full turnkey. So when we do a factory relocation, we can do the decommissioning, the recommissioning, the moving of the equipment. We can do the lot. So really, really varied.
So you get the call straight in from the customer or whoever passes it to you.
Yeah.
It seems like a long-winded process and probably a difficult process to get all the team arranged, all the kit
Yeah.
arranged. How do you deal
Yeah.
with that?
Well, we've got a lot of really skilled people at Flegg Projects. So behind me is a team in the office that would do all of the planning. So they'll make sure that the right people are on the job with the right qualifications. You know, if our kit's going out and it needs notifying, they'll do all of the paperwork for the transport. So it's really, you know, I'm just one piece in a big puzzle.
Oh, that's lovely, Kirsty.
Yeah.
But it's not just, like I said earlier, picking up and dropping off a machine. You're well known for machine tool moves and installation, but what would you like the people out there at home to know about Flegg Projects that maybe they don't know about?
I guess it's that we can offer the full package. So it's not just lifting and shifting, it's not just machine moving. We can take everything, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, we can take the whole lot, the transport, the project management side of the business, the health and safety paperwork, you know, the paperwork if things are going abroad, we can do the whole shooting match. So.
That's a really confident statement that you can start to finish, completely finish the project, no matter whether it's just a simple machine move or probably basically a whole factory installation.
Yeah.
There's one more question I want to ask you. How do you enjoy Flegg Projects?
I just love the variety of it. One week it's chocolate tanks, the next week it's cardboard cutting machines. It's just so varied all over the shop, so I get to travel quite a lot and I really enjoy it.